Welcome to our tutorial about the while loop. Visual Basic supports a few versions of loop statements. Loop statements work with comparison expressions the same way that if statements do. But unlike an if statement, which executes a block of code only one time, a loop statement executes a block of code continuously until some criteria matches. At this point, and only at this point, will the loop stop. Let's begin the code for our while loop. Tab to accept Visual Basic's suggestion. Open parenthesis. Integer b is less than integer a. Close parenthesis. Hard return. And here's the body for the while loop. Here's my comparison test. As long as this returns true, the loop will execute. Let's use the message box function. Open parenthesis, integer b, close parenthesis. Next, integer b equals integer b plus 1. As long as this comparison is true, the loop will execute. In order to stop the loop, we need to change one of these variables so that one of these test results returns false. That's why I've put in this line of code here, integer b equals integer b plus 1. In other words, each time the loop executes, the value of integer b will increase by 1. Now let's go ahead and test my program. First, I'll input a value of 4. We have 1, 2, 3, and now the loop stops. And this concludes our tutorial about the while loop.